Welcome to Math Challenge 469. In Math Challenge 469, we have an irregular quadrilateral. An irregular quadrilateral, the four sides, the lengths are given, and two opposite angles, the measures of two opposite angles are given. So we got the lengths of all the four sides and the measures of one pair of opposite angles, and we have to find the area of the quadrilateral. For all quantitative and numerical aptitude tests, Math Challenge 469. Now what is given? We are given an irregular quadrilateral. We are given the lengths of all the four sides, and we are given the measures of one pair of opposite angles. So when you know the lengths of all the four sides and one pair of opposite angles, you can find the area in this way. We will show you step by step how to calculate the area of this irregular quadrilateral. First, we find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means you add the sides and divide by 2. So semi-perimeter will be the sum of lengths of all the four sides by 2. So semi-perimeter S will be 4 plus 8 plus 3 plus 6. That is the length of all the four sides whole by 2. That's giving you 10.5. Semi-perimeter S equal to 10.5. You add the lengths of all the sides 4 plus 8 plus 3 plus 6 and then divide by 2. So semi-perimeter is 10.5. So first we calculated the semi-perimeter and we got S equal to 10.5. Now we calculate the product of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into S minus D. This is somewhat similar to Heron's formula for triangle. When we calculate the area of triangle using Heron's formula, but then we use S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, then square root. Here we don't have S, only S minus A into S minus B into S minus C and also S minus D. So S is 10.5 and A is 4, B is 8, C is 3 and D is 6. So 10.5 minus 4, 10.5 minus 8, 10.5 minus 3, 10.5 minus 6, and we get this value 548.4375. This is result A. This is not the answer. This is result A. Then we will do one more calculation and then get the answer. So this is result A. S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into S minus D. We are getting 548.4375. Let us call this result A. Now, product of sides. Multiply the lengths of all the four sides. The product of sides A into B into C into D, that is 4 into 8 into 3 into 6 is 576. We multiply all the four sides, that is A, B, C, D, we get 576. Now the sum of angles 50 and 75. 15 not 50. 15 plus 75 is 90. The two angles are given, one pair of opposite angles 15 and 75, the total is 90 and half of that is 45. So cos square 45, that is half of the sum of the angles. Two angles are given, add the two angles and divide by 2. So 15 plus 75, 90 divided by 2, 45. Cos square 45, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So cos square 45 would be 1 by root 2 whole square, that is 1 by 2. So ABCD into cos square 45, ABCD was 576, and cos square 45 1 by 2. So ABCD into cos square 45 is 576 into half, that is 288. This is result B. So what we calculated, the product of sides ABCD and cos square of the half of the sum of these two angles. The sum of these two angles 90, half of that 45, cos square 45. So cos square 45 multiplied by this product of sides 576. So we are getting half into 576, that is 288. This is result B. 288 is result B. So result A, that is S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into S minus D, that was 548.4375, and result B, that is ABCD product of sides into cos square 45, that was 288. Now area will be square root of A minus B, that is square root of 548.4375 minus 288, and when you take the square root, you'll get 16.14 approximately. So the area of this irregular quadrilateral would be approximately 16.14 square units. So what we are doing, we calculated result A and we calculated result B, and A minus B, and take the square root, and the answer, which is the area, that is 16.14. Now this is the final answer, the area of the irregular quadrilateral. So this special formula can be used when you know the lengths of four sides and one pair of opposite angles. If A, B, C, D be the four sides of a quadrilateral and X and Y be the opposite angles, then the area would be given by square root of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into S minus D minus ABCD into cos square X plus Y by 2. S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into S minus D, that was result A. ABCD into cos square X plus Y by 2, that was result B. So A minus B and then the square root. In case of cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles add up to 180. So X plus Y would be 180. So X plus Y by 2 would be 90. And cos square 90 would be 0. So this part would become 0. So the area of the cyclic quadrilateral would be given by square root of S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into S minus D. Because the remaining part, this ABCD into cos square X plus Y by 2, this will become 0. Because X plus Y is 180, X plus Y by 2 would be 90, and cos 90 is 0. So ABCD into 0, that is 0. So this part becomes 0. So you'll get only the first part, and this is the area of cyclic quadrilateral.
Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.